Hi, welcome to Webby Tutorials. In this video, I will guide you on how to create and use drag and drop menus. So, what are drag and drop menus? Drag and drop menus helps you customize your store's header, footer, and category menu. Every time we add a product, it is assigned to one of these menus. Let's see how these menus can be customized. For us to understand better which area will get the effective change, let's use the demonstration store as an example. To add or edit menus, we will go to Settings and tap on Drag and Drop Menus. On this screen, you can see all the main menus and the sub-menus created in the past. Now let's go and create a new menu in addition to these. Let's tap on Add Item. We will be required to enter certain information on this screen. Since we want this menu to be standalone, so we will not assign one of these categories. Next, we have to add title. In this case, I have chosen this to be called Accessories. Then we choose if we would like this menu to be connected to any of the web page or category. We can provide custom link. So in this case, I have chosen custom link and provided a URL under it. Next, we go to featured summary. If there is any summary, we provide summary, and we go ahead and save. So here you can see the menu we just added. It's called Accessories. For us to have a better understanding of where the change took place, let's go ahead and refresh our demonstration store. Now, as we can see, there's a new menu called Accessories, and if I click on this, it should take me to the cooling pads area. Thank you for watching and happy selling.